In this segment, we're going to talk about intervals. What is an interval? An interval is the distance between one note and another note. On the keyboard, an interval might be from C up to E. That's the interval of a third. It might be from a B down to a G. Again, the interval of a third. Or an F to a G, the interval of a second. Today we're going to focus on unisons, which are also called prime or repeated intervals or repeated notes. We're going to focus in on steps, which are also called seconds, and skips, which are also called thirds. So first of all, I want to show you a unison, the way it would look on the staff. Pretty simple. Line to the same line, or space note to the same space note. On the keyboard, it just sounds like that. Let's look at seconds. They could go from a line to the next space, or a space to the very next line. Remember that line note, the line goes right through the head of the note. This would sound like this on the keyboard. And if you notice on the keyboard, right now we're just playing on the white notes, and we will go from one white note to the very next white note. We won't skip any notes. So a second isn't going to skip anything if we go from white notes to white notes. Let's look at a third. A third would go from a line to the next line. We're actually skipping that space note. So on the piano, we will skip a note down here, and that will be your third. If we play them together, you'll see how that middle note is, we're skipping that middle note. Okay, of course we can come down, and that would look like this on the keyboard. If we played it at the same time, it would sound like that. Okay, let's do another one. Line to another line note. And we're skipping a note. Again, we can put them, stack them on top of each other. When we stack them on top of each other, those are called harmonic intervals because we're creating harmony. If we play them separately, let's move this one down a little bit. When we play them separately, we can sing those with the human voice. We're creating melody. Those are melodic intervals. Again, harmonic. We're creating harmony. We can't sing those with one voice. This we can sing. So that's a melodic interval. That's all for today. I'm going to discuss in the next segment how we put those into your hands in a logical way.